bano ba pastor atute sente yo ngokola bakutwala sente mu church bana ekinnuma nze nsabidde bakakande emyaka 10 you people mama nge yantwalayo naye ebirooto wasiba ofuna ebirooto 24/7 ogenda nakusabira leero enkya n'omuloota najjira mu kirooto nakugamba something I'm telling you ate wosabira eyo you get problems you have got this problem you've put money in the envelope ozitutteyo wa man of God n'omugamba nawe I dreamt this now agenda kuwa apples manya kuwe how do you call it bananas obirye kumbe bali mukuteeka mu bintu then after that you get another problem put money in the envelope go back kati unagamba mama wange naye bino biki Bible je tusoma ne films zetwalaba ku Yesu banange Jesus always prayed for people nga bawona akusabira lumu n'owona you don't have to go back to him. Why don't these pastors when they pray for us why don't they pray for us once ebizibu ne getting solved n'owona naye nakusabira nofuna ekizibu ekirala you have to go back take money there go back take money there go back take money there mama onamala kwavuwala ate wovaayo what odda ku zero nze wenave wakakande nadda ku zero you people me I'm going to say this story oba mugamba mugende mu mugambe naye nze wenavaayo nadda ku zero so kati mbabwire story yange yakakande nze mama wange yantwala ku eyo church nali joining high school I studied from one younger girls for 6 years. So when I was joining senior 1, mommy took me to that church and introduced me to the pastor. That time I had things in my back that were not going. Ralinga like ringworms in my back. But then ngachebigenda. You people netukozesa break fluid nebigana ogenda. Netukozesa eddagala lya kizungu nebigana. Literally we used everything. Nenge bintu biganye from my back. Then mommy nangamba ngutwale wa pastor. Mne mommy ngutwale wa pastor. Omusajja yansabira amazima byagenda. Sigenda balimba byagenda off my back became clear. Then nesigala ngasabira for 10 years of course mu holidays ngogenda otwala yo sente mbasa bakusabira you know, but again we wogenda otwala sente mbasa omlota you get problems again. Mr. TikTok nkutumite kwagala nnyo you get problems you have to go back. So munayi nesigala nga ngendayo kati now this time I wanted to leave Uganda. Ngamba mama wange mami njagala kuvagana mami ngamba genda ku musajja njagenda mu America mami ngamba yagenda mu America kende wa pastor acha kusabira ojagenda wabweru ojagenda munange ngangende wa pastor Kakande ngateka sente mu basa jale emitwalo 500,000 kwa batandikira era sente bazibala obaze ezo tebagala bafere munenga babala sente emitwalo 5 nganyingira mu kasengo kulaba man of God era ne mugamba first of all yangamba nti musajja wange muzungu nti ngenda kwa musajja muzungu yagenda okumpasa ngenda ku omwana asooka bwengendo zala mulenzi afanana taatawe anfanana ate mwana mulungi nnyo very handsome boy he's going to become a doctor mbana mwe nazala muwala n'omusajja eyampasa si muzungu is black American si muzungu mutugavu kitegeera kati that time I told my mother mugamba me omanyi nkwagala nnyo but mom this is what is going to happen because people remember I left Dubai nga dadi amaze okufa 2020 before COVID Nava Dubai nenzira yewaka like I was just tired. I left the Marriott job. I was comfortable. I had a good job. Ngafuna sente nungi sibonabona nkola ntudde the front office olusi ndieri mkwata masimu. I was very fine. But then nagamba this is not where I belong. I wanted to go to America. I wanted to settle somewhere wengenda ofuna obutuuze. You people, I went back to Uganda. Data wange yafa nenzira Uganda nemana nenzira Dubai ngamaze okuziika. I resigned and went back to Uganda. Now I told my mother, mommy, I want to go to the US. You people, man of God yansabira. Do you know what happened? I lost everything. My little man is not in savings okuva Dubai. Wonna abantu banferanga otute sente zo mubagundi muba bano bagundi abatwala abantu ebweru akasente mye. I lost a lot of money. Now, of course, like 10 million, 15, 20 mziba nyenje. Ngoba Dubai no kasaving akasente akwa takes a lot of time. People, I lost all my money during COVID. Ngoba COVID anatandika zonna. Nangamba mami na mami. Twagenda man of God nangamba ngenda America. Naye ate ebintu byonna bifairinze mbunedda mukama yamanyi weba bifairinze of course bigenda kumala bikole. Olunaku lwe twali ku church okulaba man of God, that is the same day yangamba ogenda mu America. He assured me I'm going to go, but guess what? That was the same night the airports were closed. That was the same night the whole country was shut down because of COVID. Ate bangande ngenda mu America. Ate agenda mu America lwaki airport bazigande. Nkwadde sente zangu nsabidde ongambe ngenda bweru. Ningezako kuyitira Canada. Yes, lockdown. Ningezako kuyitira Canada. You people, I was denied. I was denied everything nekye blocking buli kimu nenzira ku zero. I didn't have any money. Era kyanyamba okuddamu okufuna sente. Nagamba mama wange first nemugamba mame olaba badde njagala genda bweru. Mugamba Kakande blah blah blah, I'm going to go. Now you have seen everything has failed, right? Mami nagamba yes, I've seen. Ate manyine yangamba if everything fails then kati aunga wesonyiwa church. Namugamba we failinga musajja wo Kakande ngenda mwesonyiwa, I will never start stepping that church again and I'm done. She accepted. Naenda ku zero. I lost all my money, all of it. Nenzira ku zero. Kati then when I ku zero ne mami wange nanyiga nenvaayo, nali mbera na yawe mbuya nenyiga nenvaayo. I went to my dad's house where in Entebbe. Njuka daddy wange yakolera ko State House. My daddy ran when Museveni was coming into power. He's a revolutionist. He was yali mujasi, and the other houses they keep them and everything, you know. Yeah, so that's the house that I was living. I was staying. I don't have to pay rent, you know. But now when I ku zero kati ntandika okwewomba mpola okudda engulu. An organization mujira bakabade models for charity. I had registered it the moment I had left Dubai. So I'm like, I went on my knees, I prayed, I told God, Mukama, I've lost everything, I'm now on zero. God, I'm begging you, I'm starting again, and from today onwards I'm going to believe in you. I'm not going to believe in these men of God anymore. I went on my knees, I cried to God, I prayed and all that. I fasted like maybe 1 or 2 days. Church. I started afresh. I started getting sponsors online for the organization. Natandika okuwandikira different companies. Nawandikirako ne company bali bagiyita chene yamafuta. And I presented. So I went on my knees and I'm like, God, please let me not fail. I might be crazy, but I pray to God. I know He has to protect me. Without Him, nandi baddewa. Mukama gwenteka fast in everything. Everything I do, I pray. Kati, Cassandra Yampe's connections and everything. You people, after my interview with these American people, I have to go for Miss World. I've waited for 2 years because Miss World, you people, 2020, but I had to wait until 2022 to travel. I waited for 2 years. Kakande yangamba nti nali ngenda genda, lwaki saagenda that time? Lwaki bagalawo? Lwaki nadda ku zero? I lost all my money. Sente zange zamala kudda nga nvuddeyo kweyo church, naye nasooka kudda ku zero, naye mbona nkawe Uganda. Yeah, time kimako befandi byamwe ku boda nga ndi mu struggling. And I went through a lot. Nze ekyo bagamba. Naye sa giving up. Nagamba Mukama, I have to make it. Era nasigala nga mpressing nga nemerako. Nze nsaba, I pray. That's why ebintu byange biyitamu. Naye Kakande nasooka kuvaayo kati simanyi oba mama wange oba ali mutwala ebifaananyi byange okunsabira ate namuwoninga nga mami totwala ebifaananyi byange b'omusajja oyo, because whenever she takes my pictures there I get weird dreams ebyekisiru ebyo ebyagala okunziza emabega, you know. So and today is a Sunday. Ismail abuza natandika ddi okusaba, you don't know me, tomanyi mumanyi dona gwe mulaba wano outside. Me, I'm very prayerful. You people, now I have to call my mother today. Mana mukubide kungera ali ku church ali wa Kakande. Naye alabika yali mukundetera bino ebintu by'ekisirusiru bino ebyokulota nga bali mukunsabira nga ali mutwala ebifaananyi byange kunsabira n'okuteka misitaani bye. Era Mukama byonna mbyejjako mu linnya erya Yesu. I'm a child of God. I don't believe in those weird things. Kitegeera. Ndio sirubega mwana. I don't believe in people who pray for us, those things. Nesabira.
Lwaki mukakkanya abasumba?
Oba olina okumulota. Oyo pastor wakusabira, you have to dream about him. You see him in the dreams. In the dash. Naine ebintu mugongo nabagambye, it was like ringworms, you know, something like that. Banange ebintu ebyo nga biganya ogenda netukozesa break fluid netukozesa eddagala ezzungu, ebintu byagana ogenda. Daddy treated me, ebintu nebigana ogenda mu mugongo, okuva mu mugongo. Mama ange nantwalayo wa pastor.
Waina binamakula.
It was like kirumu, things in the back. Mama we yantwala okunsabira, fine byagenda, naye after myaka 10 when navaayo byakomawo.
Kati okyabiyina?
No. There is a skin specialist in Entebbe who treated me for 3 weeks. He started from Dar es Salaam. He's the best skin specialist we have in Uganda. I'm treating nera nebigenda, but I had to believe for myself as well. Naye Kakande is like a cult. Ate abantu abaliyo oba kintu bakikugala bugazi maaso, kubanga nange we naliyo nali sagala kuwuliriza nga tosobola kungamba kintu na kimu about past man of God nenkuwuliriza. My stepmother tried. Tata wange nga akyali mulamu nga bagezako kunzija ku church eyo, baana mmwe nga sisobola, nga tewali kyosobola kungamba nenkuwuliriza. Nze amaaso gange gaali maggale. Naye kasita obeerayo wooti tewali muntu asobola kugamba kintu, oba tubeerako ki. Naye nasiba omutima mu lockdown weyangamba nti ogenda bweru instead airport baggalangale sente zange zonna ne zifa sente zange bwe zaafa this time nagamba mami ndowooza okiraba we made an agreement nti bwe sigenda bweru mami me and that pastor it is over I told her and then my mother nangamba okay kale katulabe ogenda nga ina faith nange nalina faith naye nebifeiringa ne airport ne baziggala nenzira ku zero Uncle Dash it's my charity organization that helped me okuddamu ofuna sente nga mpandikira basponsor namala nasooka kudda ku zero I went on my knees I prayed nenvaayo ku church naye navaayo nga buli omu akugamba ogenda kudda ku zero all of us abavaayo ate na meeting abaana bangi nga buli omu awa testimony ye mwana gwe navaayo nayavuwala navaayo nakola ki tova ku church ogenda kuwavuwala nga ffe biki naye Dash I went on my knees I prayed to God nengamba omutima ngu sibye envuddeyo nenyiga ne wamama nenvaayo nengenda ku nyumba yaffe ey'entebe nasiba omutima Dash nafukamira nensaba Katonda I cried and I'm like God I'm not believing in human beings anymore. I'm believing in you. Nange nemmanya nengamba kati kino kiwedde Kakande nvuddeyo I'm starting afresh. Nga ndi ku zero. Gwe I struggled. So we banku bekifaani ku boda. Ne banyaka. Nga ndi mu struggling again mazima. I struggled nga nvudde ku eyo church. Naye nagamba sigenda ku giving up. Temumanyi bulumi abantu bwe balimu. I'm telling you, a lot of people have gone there. They are not healed. Abana bavuddeyo bali ku zero. Uncle Dash, I have a lot of messages in my DM. People are telling me nange nagendayo ate omuntu wange yafa bufi ate batugamba otamira ddagala nafa a lot of DMs I'm having people are telling me we bali kwogera
abantu tebagamba embo oyagala kwonona linnya lya musumba
ate kati okwonona erinnya lya musumba bannange nga nfaaki me I'm saying the truth nze njogedde bye nayitamu okitegeera kubanga nze bannange kati nalina omusajja omusudaani yali agala okumpasa nkunyumiza ng'amuyita Moses yali lawyer actually agala kwesimbawo for president of South Sudan with time yasomerawo ku nkumba yali ku masters bannange gayinga njagala bannange yampa sente dollars naye buli sente zampa nga ntwala ku church nteeka mu basa ntwala wa pastor mate wezo omusajja teyagenda omusajja yangamba Doreen stop naye nga nze ndi mulavu ne pastor like nga yanziba amaaso kati wobeera mu eyo church is like a cult yeah that degree is called theology obeera mu church eyo bakusiba amaaso toyagala na muntu amwogerako anything obo kitegeera ate Uncle Dash wakusabira ekizibu kimu ne kivaawo ofuna ekirala noddayo wano Yesu yasabiranga abantu ku Bible ze tusoma Yesu yasabiranga omuntu naawona omulundi gumu tolina kuntuninga ng'oddayo naye eyo we bakusabira ekizibu kimu ne kigenda lwampaka ogenda funa ekizibu ekirala ate oddemu oteeka esente mu bbaasa ate oddayo ku church kwegamba it is recurring it's a repetition you have to keep going there you have to keep putting money in the envelope today ekizibu kya leero kigenze akisabidde ate ogenda kufuna ekiri waasi olina okuddayo ne bakusabira ezo sente endala mu bbaasa woba toli careful oba ogenda kwavuwala eno ye wabasaba mungulire emmotoka gw'oli ku bigere oli foot soldier oli ku bigere otambula pastor avuga motoka ya beeyi mu sente zo sente zikuggwako gw'okwata sente otwala ku kyalo ye banange nze nandibadde ndi mugagga nnyo nakati kankubuulire oyo musudaani nga yampanga sente naye musudaani yankyawa because of that nga buli sente gyampa ngitwala ku church era bwe yalabye bino yankubiddeko nangamba Dora thank you so much finally you left that church ate wanava ku church ate oza wenasetolinga nenfuna n'omusajja nankuba empeta oyo pastor yangamba nti omusajja wange muzungu musajja yankuba empeta black American nangamba ngenda zaala abaana manya omwana omulenzi ye first born agenda kuba mwana mulungi nnyo very handsome afaana taata we ate nga nfaanana mboyo
wazaala gonya
nazaala muwala yangamba nti omwana wange yangamba omwana wange agenda kubeera muki manya ngenda zaala mulenzi agenda kubeera oba yangamba pilot owokubiri oba dokita mwana gwe ate nazaala muzungu nze nazaala mu muddugavu black American era nze obunabbi bwe yampa bwali bwa bulimba ne bampa apples ne bampa biki naye nga kimanye nti wobiri ogenda muloota oyagala ogenda mulaba mu kirooto era namala kusaba ne ngamba mukama nze omusajja tanziira mu birooto byange amabona again Christian ndi mwana wa Yesu ebyo birooto mbikuba mu linnya erya Yesu tebigenda kunzirira ate saalose nga nfudde kati no mama wange agenze ku church Kakande atule ebifaananyi byange you know namuwoninze ne mugamba mami I've had this dream nenkera ne mukubira essimu nga se bali mu church Dora ndiko church namugambye gwe nnyabo nze woba ogenze kusaba bibyo don't put
wajemedde maama wo
nze mama wange mwagala nnyo she knows that I'm tough nze togenda kunkola bintu bya kisiru kubanga oli mama wange nkusindikire sente ozitwaleyo mu church oyagala kunsiranya that's a cult I've been there nsabiddeyo I know what I'm talking about but abantu abaliyo bambi ne mugenda eyo ne babalimbalimba abawadde amenvu babawadde biki gwe n'okola gwa kulya kati ogenda kulaba endiga zigenda ovaayo wano ate endiga tezirina mpisa ye tebaagala kulira muntu amwogerako obuzibu bwe nina deshi maama wange gy'asabira tosobola kumugjayo era kugamba kimu Dora nze n'abantu wa Kakande omanyi oba olina okusaba you have to have faith you have to believe maama wange asabiddeyo myaka na myaka ogwo omuceere twagugula uno gwayogerako mukundi mu bbaasi egyo emiceere gyonna twagigulanga mukwano naye ng'obirya tewali kikyuka nze maama wange asabiddeyo myaka na myaka kati maama wange yandibadde alina ennyumba eyiye naye sente zonna zimalira eyo era bananga I don't know simanyi kyengenda kukolera maama wange kubanga oluusi oba otya n'omuwa ssente omanyi ogenda zimuwa agenda zitwala eyo tomanyi kyebakuteekamu oluusi atuteyo ebifaananyi bye bakusabidde otandise kuloota bintu bya kisiru amazzi ebyo byonna twagulanga era
tokolindeko kati mu birooto bye walootamuko nga bakulya ng'akulya
ate kati waloota bakulya nabo bakana mizimu
ati mbadde mmanyi kati gwe engeri gy'ofuna engeri gy'oli nnyo mu buno obulamu obw'ebifaananyi ebyagundi oyinza okuba oloota omusumba ng'akulya bafinga akutte emimwa kunuuna emimwa kati walootanga omulaba bulabi ng'ajaawo
omulaba ng'akuwa message alina byakugamba ngera tebitegeekereka amtelingi but it is a must olina okumulaba mu kirooto era kati Uncle Deshi nga bagenzeyo ne bakusabira oba ogenda kumulaba aba agenda kujja
nga munoonyaako kinze Katonda wange ali munzi
ate kati gwe nno olina strong abantu batya omwogerako
nze Katonda wange ali munzi
abantu batya omwogerako kati awo
ebigambo bye muwulira bino si byagundi eno si bya mukutu guno wadde agukolako byakintu kinoomu
obwedda bali wange bangamba tomwogerako ojja muloota amanya biki namugamba namulootaloota dda bannange me I believe in God I don't believe in pastors era mukama ansabire all the time that I wasted there mukama ansonyiwe kati maama wange gwe nina okulwanako ennyo ndabe ng'avaayo naye si kyangu because the other one is a cult you have to be a believer okuvaayo
and you said
I didn't do that.
And then he brought them on there. You can do whatever you want in your personal life, in your personal space, but don't bring that over here. That's very disrespectful.
He is on doing his life.
That's very disrespectful. It's very disrespectful.
You
thought I wasn't watching the live. You thought I wasn't watching the live, and I was.
That is imagination.
We are very sorry.
You see, Scopulama.
Don't play me like I'm stupid.
Listen, Scopulama was on live, and they sent a request on his live.
Okay, so let me ask him, since you seem to not want to tell the truth, I think I should ask your friend. So he came out here on the couch, right? Right? And he went like this. Like the coast is clear, everything is good.
Did I do that?
Yes or no?
No.
No?
Oh, no. Yeah.
Okay, then both of you are lying.
For me, when they came on live, I just even extended the hand. I extended behind it, and I did like this. You go on with your
Both of you are lying, because I know what I saw.
You did.
You thought that I wasn't on live, and I was on live.
You did.
That's why you came in the room and you said, "Go ahead and go on your live," and you tried to shut the door.
I did.
My sister, we are very sorry.
I'm not stupid. I know what I saw. I'm not stupid.
We are very sorry. We are very sorry for that.
So, before you talking with that man, you found me on live with Scopulama, my friend. The girls were just joined. She did not wait them to say anything.
Why are you letting Nachiganda to come to your life? Not going to allow you to be on the side when you don't listen to a boy child. Those white people are very complicated. Why are you bringing white girls in your camera?
You listen and you talk. Listen,
okay, let me listen.
Listen, see, like I'm not the don't laugh for me. Don't laugh for me. Like, see, it's like you see the puzzle. You are on your live, and I'm here this side, and the girl send a request that side of yours. Me, I was this side, and you accept the request. When I'm not the one who accepted it, and when the girl comes on live, I even do like this, and they did not say anything like flirting, like laughing, like anything like how she said. She was like,
what Layla's? Layla is a suspicious woman, you know.
No, even me, I can be suspicious, and I said that is not your friend.
Put you in a gap. Why don't you chase them out of a house? Let later speaks. Don't say anything, later talk.
One thing about me is that if I am wrong, I don't have a problem to say that I'm wrong. I have no problem saying I'm wrong. I got upset because he was on the live with his friend. Okay, no problem. His friend added on the girl, okay? And I came out and he saw that I was annoyed because live with other men. He doesn't want me to do matches with other men. As long as it's women and it's girls, no problem.
Who doesn't want
Is she in prison, Bibizan? Why
She has started lying. She has started lying.
Babe.
She has started lying.
Why don't you let my daughter
stop talking?
No, I'm saying that.
Stop lying when
I'm
you are
saying
talking. Stop lying when you are talking.
I'm
Say
not lying.
the truth.
Did we not agree?
Stop. I did not agree with you.
Sandra.
Yes, I did not agree with you. If you want me to say the
No,
truth,
my daughter is not lying. My daughter is
I did not agree
talking
about
like
it. I did not. Stop lying. Stop trying to get sympathy from people.
Sympathy?
No, let my daughter speak what she wants.
Let her stop lying. Let her stop lying.
What am I lying
If
about?
I refused her to be on live with a man,
Why
did
are you
she
refusing
be
my
with a
daughter
man
to be on
yesterday?
live?
No.
Why?
I said
Why?
that you don't like it and I don't like it either. You don't like it when I'm
I
online.
do not agree on that. Stop lying.
Sandra.
You are going to lose like other guys.
I did not agree on that. I'm not
So you want
going to
to become that
confess
guy
on
who is
something which I did not agree.
Who is the Arobe doer? You want to do the same thing like he does later. Every time kulomba dua. Later what that thing the money was on dua. That will not work. Let woman be. Let woman enjoy life. Let later enjoy life. TikTok life as she wants. Later she's not in prison. Bibi Zanda. Everyone is not on your
her
side.
going anywhere. I don't tell her to don't go anywhere. I don't do anything.
Out of respect for you. Out of respect for you as my man. You know? There are things that you don't like. There are things that I don't like.
But I did not agree on that.
So you're saying that you were okay with that?
Of course, yesterday you were on live with a man. Did I say anything? When I was on live,
She
when I
told you.
connected girls, you can.
She's her friend's husband.
So you never said to me that you don't want me going on live with other men?
No, please.
Okay,
If I said that to you, I would have done the same thing to you yesterday.
Okay.
Yes, later.
Okay. I'm not going to say anything else because I'm not going to say anything else.
So you want me to be, because I've been keeping it quiet. Do you know that even yesterday she slapped me?
Danda?
Later she does it. She slapped me.
I'm going to clear this up right now in front of 1.7K viewers. When you say slap, what do you mean by slap you?
You slapped me like this.
Where did I slap you?
You slapped me on my hand.
On your hand. Yes, I did.
Have I ever done
I
that?
slapped him on his hand.
Like that? Like that? Like
When
that?
you, hold on. When you
that?
say slap in front of 1.7.
The problem, we are talking English. I cannot like.
That is not a slap. Slap you on the hand. That is not. I think it was.
No, you were not on the live.
No.
You were not on the live. I was the one on the
I
live.
want to make it very clear. When you say slap, I want to make it very clear because everyone thinks that when you said that I slapped you, they think like I slapped you in the
They
face,
said that
like I hit you.
They said they even had the sound.
I slapped you on
They
your
had the
hand
sound when you were slapping
because I
me.
was annoyed and I said I don't want to be
Yes.
touched right now.
Okay.
So I slapped your hand away.
Yeah, now it's normal. Bibi Zanda, it's normal. And she doesn't slap you as people saturating those gossiping on social media. She doesn't slap you.
Clear on that.
Yes, be clear, my daughter.
I'm not saying I'm a human being. I said this yesterday, even on my live. I'm a human being. I'm a woman. I have feelings. You know, yes, I'm not perfect, but when you say you slap someone,
You slapped me yesterday, and you want me to.
let's be very clear on what slap means
I've
and
tried
how
to
I
be
did
good.
it.
I've tried to hide everything
Kocha,
on live.
I hope
But you wanted me to say that. When you started
Let her
thinking.
speak, Bibi Zanda. Akajanja kamwaka abana abafirika olugezigezi lwe luba lemeseza okuwasa omukazi bw'abanga ayogera Bibi Zanda omulekanga n'ayogera ekimuli ku mutima omukazi bw'abanga
I just hope I explained myself clearly.
batuluna okukeba tamala emirundi junior banoonya abazungu tebabalaba bali ku bakazi bakadde meya w'ensangi walukagga bwe yafuna yamuweesa empapula yali ku myaka 15. Bibi Zanda olina omuwala omuto omumerika oli mu American citizen mozanyira. Are you stupid? Nya kuroga abana balezi muri basiru nyo balaka la ufiku. Uno mwaka sibula.
We bankubira waneno kati bwe ngende eri bankole ki? Genda
wano tosubula.